No more worries, you can send money to your family and loved ones back home via phone. Through paysend application. It has the lowest transaction fee. Money receive in just few minutes. First, go to Google. Type paysend application. Then, click enter. Click install. Press get and it takes few minutes to download. Click open and you will go to new dialog. First step, input your country code and phone number. Enter the invitation code 0FFC92. Click add invitation code. Click next. Input your personal information. First name, last name, date of birth, street, house number, postcode, city. Click country of residence, email. Then, click update. Wait for a few minutes and you will receive an SMS code. Input the number code. Think for your password and be sure to record it. You will be asked if you want to use Touch ID for paysend. This is for Apple phone only. For this tutorial, I will press no. Good work. Registration is successful. Do you want to receive notifications from paysend? If yes, click allow. If not, press don't allow. For this tutorial, I will press allow. This is the home page of paysend. Press the 3 lines in the upper right of the application. You can find in the menus Home, Profile, Settings, paysend bonus and support. In the profile, it is your personal information and your transfer limit. In My Cards, you can click the plus button to input your sender's card number and expiry date. Then, press Add. For this tutorial, I will not input my card. Press Settings. In Settings, you can change your password, use Touch ID, change auto lock and switch users. I will just press X, since I don't want to change anything. Press Support. You can contact the customer service if you have any questions. Just enter your name, type your question and input your email address. Then, press Send. Let us go to Home menu. Click Request App. Here, you can ask someone to send you money to your card from over 70 countries. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will tackle only on how to send money. Click the Send tab. Press New Transfer. Input the recipient country in the search. For this tutorial, I will type Philippines. Then click Philippines. Input the amount and the recipient gets, and it is automatically will compute the exchange rate amount including the transfer fee to be deducted in the sender bank account. You can choose the delivery method, whether to card or to account. For this tutorial, I will input to card. You can see the transaction fee and the exchange rate. If you have a promo code, tick promo code and type the code. Then, next. For this tutorial, we do not have a promo code. Untick the use promo code. Then, click next. Input the recipient details, the card number, expiry date, first name and last name. Please make sure all details are correct. Then press next. Input the sender details, the card number, expiry date, and CVC. You can find it at the back of your ATM bank card. Please make sure all details are correct. Then press next. Confirm details dialog appear. You have to check the recipient details and amount if it is correct. If all details is correct, press confirm. This dialog appear for bank verification. You will receive an SMS from your bank for your one-time password or OTP for short. Then, input the number in this verification code. Then press the green box to proceed. You will receive a dialog if it is successful or failed. You can check it in your Send tab. If the small circle is red with X mark, your transaction is failed. Do not worry, it will not deduct to your bank account. Just repeat again the process on how to transfer money. In the second time, it is still failed. Do not repeat the process anymore or else your card will be blocked by your bank. Better call your bank and ask why you cannot transfer money. Here is the receipt of a failed transaction. If the small circle is green with check mark, your transaction is successful. Within a few minutes, the transfer money is already in the recipient bank. Here is the receipt of a successful transaction. If you think this video add value to you, please click the subscribe button below so that for the upcoming video, you will be the first to watch. Thank you for watching and happy sending.